Welcome back to Create Paradise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a sewing machine presser foot. Not all sewing machines attach the same way, so I'll show you a presser foot lever and a presser foot release button, and I will show you how to use them. I will break down how the presser foot is released and attached to your machine. This will be a quick but in-depth guide to help you on your sewing journey. Presser feet are not always interchangeable from one brand of machine to another, so it is important to make sure the presser foot fits your machine model before purchasing it. You always need to raise your presser foot first before you change it. To do this, you want to raise the presser foot lifter to the highest position. Presser feet either snap off or screw off. This all depends on the machine and the presser foot. Most multi-purpose feet snap on and off, but it is always a good idea to consult your manual for how to change the presser foot on your particular machine. Some machines have a lever on the back of the presser foot holder and others have a presser release button. Not all machines look the same, so I've included two pictures of the most common machine types. When you press the lever or the release button, the foot will drop off. This happens when you press the lever as it moves the metal bar forwards and backwards. The bar is what grips the presser foot pin and what holds the foot in place. To attach a presser foot, place the presser foot on the needle plate. Align the pin of the presser foot so that it lies directly underneath the groove of the presser foot holder. Lower the presser foot lever so that the foot holder snaps onto the foot. It should now look like this. Now raise the presser foot lifter. The presser foot should be secure so that when you lift the presser foot lever, the foot should be snapped onto the foot holder. If the presser foot is on the needle plate and not attached to the presser foot holder, then you did not align the presser foot pin and foot holder correctly. Keep trying until you have it aligned and the foot has been attached. This can take a few attempts for beginners and can be a bit tricky, but keep trying. The more you practice this, the easier it will become. If you want to learn more, then don't forget to subscribe to have access to my latest tutorials. I also cover a lot more important sewing information in my sewing patterns and sewing magazines. Each magazine comes with a large range of insight pages. You will learn how to use different presser feet, how to change a sewing machine needle, understand the grain line, how to set up your sewing machine for different stitches, and so much more. Each topic has its own individual page dedicated to learning that topic, so you can gain an in-depth understanding of everything you will need to learn for each project and many more to come. I am dyslexic, so of course all my patterns and magazines are dyslexia friendly. I hope this video was useful to you. Have a great day and I will see you in the next video.